How to build a YouTube channel from scratch. What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's your boy Devaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to build a YouTube channel from scratch. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. We go live every Monday, okay, at 11 a.m. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. All right, so we could talk about a lot of different things when talking about building a YouTube channel from scratch. All right, but I want to talk about 4 things. All right, we're only going to talk about 4 things. Cuatro. Okay? Okay, papi. I mean, I want to trouble, okay? Shout out to Major I for that, man. That's my dude. All right, so number 1, your content. All right? With videos, you can do a lot of things. You could do vlogs. You could do informational channels. You can do reviews. You can do money-making videos. You can do cooking channels. You could do sports. You could do talk shows. You could do a lot of different things with, videos and YouTube channels. It's like a cable channel, right? But the thing is, you wouldn't turn to ESPN to watch a horror flick. Now, would you? No, right? That goes the same for YouTube channels, all right? You have to be consistent with your content. Don't start off as a vlogging channel, then turn it into a sports channel, then back to a cooking channel, then your eating channel, then your kids channel, then your friends channel, then your life channel. No, all right? Stick to content that your viewers know you for. That's simple, okay? You guys know me for wealth building, making money online, maybe talking about stocks, financial freedom, things like that. Things circulating money, right? That's what I stick to with this channel for the most part, okay? You might have a sprinkle here, a sprinkle there about different things about my life, but the majority of things is for business and making money, okay? So that's what you need to do. You need to be like 95% the same topic, okay? All right, number 2, create piggyback videos, okay? When you build a YouTube channel from scratch, it's going to be hard to get the traffic or views you need. All right, so you must do what we call piggyback videos. If you see a topic that is in your niche that another video creator is getting tons of organic views for, then you should create a video for the same topic, but with your spin on it. Okay, let me repeat that for you one more time, okay? When building a YouTube channel from scratch, it's going to be hard to get the traffic or views you need. So you must do what we call piggyback videos. If you see a topic that's in your niche that another video creator is getting tons of organic views for, then you should create a video for the same topic but with your spin on it. All right? Your video will end up in the search bar, which is the sidebar of that video, right? If it's optimized right. But we'll get to that point, okay? We'll talk about optimization, all right? So just bear with me, all right? So number 3, consistently upload, all right? You must upload at least once a week if you want your channel to gain any type of traction from the YouTube algorithm, all right? This is absolutely imperative, all right, to your success when it comes to building a solid YouTube channel from scratch, okay? Because YouTube doesn't know you. And if you're not consistently uploading, they think you're just a one-hitter quitter, all right? So they're not gonna pay attention to you. The algorithm, that is, all right? So that's why you need to upload weekly, at least weekly. I actually recommend 2 to 3 times a week, but at least weekly, right? Number 4, be a part of your community, all right? If your community is cooking, then you need to be a part of that community, all right, by commenting. If you're part of the Making Money Online community, you need to comment on other people's YouTube videos, all right? Because if you start to comment on YouTube channels and videos that are in your niche topic, then YouTube has no choice but to put your videos in a related video section of the channel of that video. Okay, so basically, so like if you happen to comment on my videos, okay, on the Wealthbuilderz videos, all right, so now you comment on my videos, and you make the same type of videos, then YouTube is going to show your videos next to mine, okay, in the related search. Now, if you don't make the same type of videos and you tend to comment on my videos a lot, then you'll probably come up in a related search also, but not as much, okay? You need to make comments on the same type of YouTube channels that you watch for, that are related to your niche, all right? Now, there is no strategy for a set amount of comments you need or anything like that. I just say take 30 to 60 minutes a day and comment on popular YouTubers' videos that are in your niche, and you will be surprised how fast your channel will start to grow without you having to make that much content, okay? Now, I warn you though, don't be a spammer or anything like that, because people hate spammers. I hate spammers. YouTube hates spammers, okay? So trust me on this. Don't be a spammer. Comment relative comments to the video, okay? Don't just make arbitrary comments to come check me out. Hey, sign up to my business. No, make a comment about the video you're watching, okay? All right, so now there you have it. All right, your top 4 tips to building a YouTube channel from scratch. All right, if you want to learn how step by step, my friend, a 6-figure earning affiliate marketer has built his YouTube channel from scratch, plus step-by-step videos revealing his whole entire method with a matching PDF, all his keyword research software is exposed, and ranking checklists including all the do's and don'ts of YouTube, then click the link below, my friend, because you'll be in for a special treat, all right? You'll get on my list, because once you get on my list, you get access to this extremely profitable product, and I will also hook you up with the hundreds of dollars worth of bonuses, okay? I will hook you up with, I can't even believe I'm doing this, man. I'm hooking you up with hundreds of dollars of bonuses just to purchase through my link. All right, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video on how to build the YouTube channel from scratch. Until next time, Wealthbuilderz, it's your boy Devaughn, signing off for how to build a YouTube channel from scratch. Make more, what? And save more, then do what? Then build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.